Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. So today I'm going to be doing a edit with me and a coloring tutorial. So basically I'm just going to be, edit with me, I guess, there's not much to explain, and a coloring tutorial because a lot of people wanted for me to do a coloring tutorial. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is do the coloring tutorial. So what you're going to do is you're going to go onto 24 FPS. You're going to get your video and you are going to select the QR code Rose, and I'll put the QR code like on the screen because not a lot of people can find it, so I'll put it there. Then you're going to go into Precool and you are going to, and the settings are for exposure you're going to do 40, for contrast you're going to do -30, for highlights you're going to do 30, like +30 or +30. For shadows, you're going to do 50. Then you're going to go to mist and you're going to do 25. And that is it for that. Then on filters, you're going to do Oakland 2 at 65. Then you're going to do sparkles at 41 for the star intensity, 8 for the star scale, 25 for the star rotation, and 0 for the filter. You can also add a blur, like an intro blur and just a blur if you want, but I don't do that, so yeah. Then you're going to go into ultra light and you are going to basically I'll put the settings for this preset that I have, but if I try to explain, I guess for I don't really know how to explain, so here's how it looks, but I'll put the preset on the side and you can just do that, and then make sure to save it as a preset so you don't have to do this again. Okay, so after you have your video saved, now I'm going to move on to the editing part, and basically I don't have a theme yet. I do have like a bunch of things here, but I don't necessarily have a theme, so I kind of just did like the most basic theme I could think of because I didn't know what to do, but I want to make this a little more interesting, so I'm going to try to change up this theme. Okay, so I downloaded my fonts and I'm going to get rid of this watermark because I also want to make a new watermark. But I guess I'm just going to start adding something to this theme. Okay guys, so I finished doing updates to my theme, and here is how it looks. And I saved it as a project. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and post it, and then I think that will be it. So I'm gonna put this in my draft. I'm not gonna post it yet. So I put the video in my draft, and I'm not gonna post it yet, but I will be back once it's time for me to post. So bye for now. Hey everyone, so I'm back, and I'm going to post the video now. So, let's just go and post it. Okay, so I posted the video, and I guess I'll just wait so people can see it, and I'll reply to a few comments until I wait. And that is basically it for this video. So if you guys use my coloring, please make sure to give credits, and that can be done. You can give it in your bio, or you can give it in a caption, but please make sure to just give credits and do not claim it as yours. But that is basically it for this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.